from Morocco. We arrived yesterday with the boat and drove for 4 hours in the night, so I didn't vlog any of that. But today we are joining Boulaajoul, which is a city in the mountains where we're gonna camp. To do so, we have some road books with some informations about the kilometers and such where we need to go. This is all we have for directions because the internet is quite expensive in this country for us with European cell phone stuff, and we are not allowed GPS in Morocco. So even for parts that are not part of the competition, we do need the roadbook. So that's my job, or Nicolas' job is to drive. So tonight was also the second night in the car right there. We do have a little bit of trouble with the condensations. I don't know if you can see, but there is droplets of water on the roof, which obviously is not what we are looking for when we sleep. So we need to find a way to not have that, because tonight is going to be quite cold, so condensation is going to be an issue. So today we have 300 kilometers to do. We do top at 80 kilometers an hour with the car, not because the car cannot go, just because we don't want to push it too hard, and we want to be steady on the speed because we don't want to overdo the motor. We still have 2,000 or 3,000 kilometers left, so we kind of want to keep the car in a good state. Most of the trip we're going to do today is on mountain roads. We're not going to be able to drive as fast as we have up until now, so I don't know what time we go there. I think we have 5 hours to go. It's 9 a.m. We shall be there early afternoon. Until then, enjoy the road. We are in the middle of a 14-kilometer uphill ride. We decided to stop just a bit to let that cool, because it was getting quite hot. And meanwhile I was waiting, I spotted two cute things. Yeah, can you see the monkey?